Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to take a screenshot here in Brave browser. All right, so first up, by using the developer tools. So just right click on any space right here or blank space and click on inspect. And then here you can go ahead and change the dimensions. Could be for iPhone, okay? Or you can go ahead and create your desktop version. All right. And once that's done, go ahead and press Control plus Shift plus P on your keyboard to open up the command section. Or if you're using macOS, press CMD plus Shift plus P. And now go ahead and type down screenshot like so. You can go ahead and capture area screenshot or any area, or capture a node, or even capture full size. Just click on it. Now wait for a download page to pop up. Save it wherever you want. Rename it if you want to as well. And hit on save. Once that's done, you can go to check it out and you're good to go. All right. Now another option, or the simplest way, okay, is just by using the Windows built-in screenshot tool. So we have here, just go to your search bar, okay, and type down snipping tool, right? This one. So just click on it and this one will open, or you can go ahead and use a shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus S. Okay. There you go. Here we have the snipping tool. So going back, snipping tool right here. And if you want to, you could go ahead and pin this one to your taskbar, just right here. Pin it. There you go. So for easy access, just click on it. Click on new right here and select the area. Right click and hit on save as. Rename it if you want to and hit on save. Once that's done, here we have it. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.